So y'all know my love for the simulated diamonds that I get from Starlette Galleria because, well, first of all, they're prettier than my actual engagement ring. Sorry, my darling. But I have been eyeing this one, and I ordered it, and I want to show y'all if I can get the dang package open. I'm sorry, I'm not strong anymore. Oh, there we go. I have been eyeing this one because they are literally so gorgeous. They don't fade like nothing. They stay just as amazing. Oh, it just took away my nose contour. Yo. It's gorgeous. Can you see that? I'm gonna die. So I keep my wedding band, like the band part, with all the ones that I chose. This is the one I was wearing. It's like rose gold on the edges. And I got this in a smaller size, but holy buckets. Wow. I love this. This is going to be my new favorite, my new go-to. There is a link in my bio with a code to save 45%, y'all. That's beautiful. Hold on. Look at this. Shepherd and Cora, stop it. It's gorgeous.